Hello everyone, today we will see question number 5 onwards. In question number 5, you can see use whatever, whichever or whoever in place of the words in italics. So, in the place of the words in italics given in the questions, you have to use these three words. First, we will know these three words, then I will move further to explain the examples and exercises. First is whatever. Whatever means anything, anything or everything, regardless of what. Whatever means anything or everything, regardless of what. Okay. One example of whatever. Whatever you do, comma, don't forget to study textbook. Now, whichever. Whichever means the person or thing which. The person or thing which. It doesn't matter which is not important. Now, let's see one example of whichever as well. Choose whichever dress you like. Wear whichever dress is most comfortable. Now, whoever. Whoever we use in case of person. The person who. It doesn't matter who means it resembles to the person. One example of this, you can invite whoever you like in your birthday party. So you have to use these three words accordingly. Now we will see first examples. Don't worry if you are unable to get it. Once you will start solving this exercise, you will be able to know. Everything he said was true. It is the question, so you can see everything which is in italic. In the place of everything, what we have used, whatever. Whatever he said was true. You can have any book you want. You can have any book you want. You can see here word any in italic. So the answer is you can have whichever book you want. It's very easy. She smiled and spoke to everyone she met. So she smiled and spoke to whoever she met. Now let's see question number B. He broke every chair he sat on. So what will be the answer? He broke whichever chair he sat on. Again I am telling the answer. He broke whichever chair he sat on. Because you can see every is in italic. Let's see question number F. We should always be polite to everyone we meet. So what will be the answer? Any guess? Anyone? Yes, I know many of you have guessed correctly. The answer will be we should always be polite to whoever we met. We should always be polite to whoever we meet. Now we will see one more. Let's see question number J. It does not matter who you meet. You should be kind to them. So what will it be the answer? Whoever you meet, though these two are a bit different. So please pay attention here. Whoever you meet, you should be kind to them. Whoever you meet, you should be kind to them. So I think you all can do it easily. Now let's see question number 6. These sentences are in the wrong order. Put them in the right order. All these sentences are in wrong order. What you all have to do, you have to put in the right order after reading it thoroughly. Go through each and every sentence and try to join it, and then you will get a short passage. Now let's see revision. You all have to practice these words at your home, and you should ensure yourselves that you know the meanings of these words. If you don't, please look in the dictionary. And I always insist everyone to use dictionary as much as you can. Now let's see question number 8. Choose the best answer. So you have to choose the best answer based on our understanding of exercises of this chapter. First, read this 2 to 3 times, all the sentences. You should read all the sentences 2 to 3 times. After reading it, you all will try to do it. And if you face any difficulties, I will definitely explain in our class.